Every major technological shift has a way of reshaping the workforce, often in ways we least expect. The rise of AI is no different, and it's not just manual labor that's at risk. In fact, some of the most surprising casualties are roles that many consider secure, including white-collar jobs. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's crucial to understand which jobs are disappearing and what new opportunities are emerging. Based on current trends and research, 12 job categories are projected to see reductions exceeding 60% in the next decade. Among these, 3 roles stand out for their unexpected vulnerability. First, junior level legal document review with 180,000 jobs in the U.S. is being rapidly replaced by AI systems that boast a staggering 98% accuracy in document review tasks. Second, basic financial analysis and report generation, which involves gathering data and producing structured summaries, is also on the chopping block. Lastly, customer service management for Tier 1 queries, those scripted, predictable interactions, faces a similar fate as AI takes over these routine tasks. Other roles at risk include data entry, basic translation, transcription services, paralegal document preparation, insurance claims processing, and even standard X-ray and radiology screening, where AI has shown diagnostic accuracy that surpasses that of specialist physicians in certain imaging categories. But it's not all doom and gloom. 8 new job categories are emerging, roles that didn't even exist 5 years ago. For instance, AI trainers and RLAF specialists are now in demand, with starting salaries ranging from $90,000 to $150,000. These professionals teach AI systems to align with intended behaviors. Then there's the prompt engineer who develops systematic approaches for AI communication in enterprise applications, earning between $80,000 and $175,000. The AI ethics auditor, responsible for verifying AI outputs for bias and compliance, is another role gaining traction, with salaries between $85,000 and $160,000. The key question for you is not whether your job title will exist in the future, but whether the core skills required for your role are more or less automatable than those in adjacent fields. Skills like judgment in ambiguous situations, emotional attunement, and creative problem framing are becoming increasingly valuable, while skills tied to pattern recognition and standardized communication are at risk. To prepare for this transition, early movers, those who develop adjacent skills before their primary skill set depreciates, tend to fare better. Start by developing functional AI literacy, focusing on the durable human skills that will remain in demand, and consider whether one of the emerging roles is accessible from your current position with some deliberate skill development. The technology itself isn't the threat, it's the transition that poses the real challenge. Understanding this shift can help you navigate the future more effectively. As we move forward, ask yourself, is your job on the list of those disappearing? Or are you ready to embrace the new opportunities that